friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Labubu monster for beginners. So first we're going to get started with the top of our head, and right in the center we're going to draw in a small upside down letter V. From each corner now we're going to curve this line out and down. Now from here we're going to arch this line out, bringing that back in. Again, from that corner, we're going to bring this line down and then in on the side. Moving down again, let's replicate that, bringing that down and then back up. And then from that corner again, curving this around, back in. And now let's close this off on the bottom. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And now let's draw in the center of the face. So right in the center, we're going to draw in the letter V. And then we're going to come across with a small diagonal line coming out, and then bringing that back over and out towards the side. Now from here, from that corner, curving this around, back in. Again, bringing this over and up. And then now from here on the bottom in that corner, we're going to curve this over and in towards the center, blending that in. Let's come over and draw in the eyes now. So on the right and left hand side, we're going to draw in a small arch line on the top, and we're just going to leave a gap in the center. Coming underneath now for the oval, we're going to bring this line around and then up on the side. Now from here for the pupil, starting on the bottom, we're going to curve this back around and then across on the right. And then in the top, we're just going to draw in a circle. For the highlight. Let's close off the nose now. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then moving underneath, we're going to arch that around and then back up on the side. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. So we're going to arch this all the way around and then up on the right. And now let's draw in the teeth. So from the center on the left, we're going to draw in a small triangle. We'll do the same on the right. And now as we come up on both sides, we're just going to replicate that pattern. So we're just going to draw in triangles as we come all the way over and up on the side. And we'll do the same on the left. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's come up above and draw in the ears. So on both sides, we're going to arch this line up and down. And we're going to end this at roughly the same height on both sides. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up and then in. Again, let's bring this line out and then down. And then again, one more time, bringing this line up and over on the side of the head. Now from here in the middle, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down. And then as we move in towards the middle again, we're going to arch this up and then back down on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw a Labubu monster for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.